What's up, guys? So today I'm going to try to open up. I already got this open once before, but this challenge lock that Lady Lock sent me, I think it's pronounced SYOTOS. I have no idea. I apologize if I butchered it, but as you can see, it works. It's a little tight, and sometimes it gets hung up going this way. I don't know why, but I guess that's the goal here, is to find out, right? So let's try to get her open. Where's my turning tool? Here we go. So I'm using this Sparrows pry bar that I modified, and I'm using the Jimmy Long's gem profile. Absolutely love this. I like starting from the back a lot of the time, so let's try to start from the back and work our way up, see what happens. Sorry for the shaky camera. Doing this with a vise is a bit different. Let me see if I can move this just a little bit for you guys. Let's see. I don't know. We'll leave it right here. Why not? This is definitely a bit of a challenging lock because I think the C-clip, it might not be the right one or something, because it's already pretty tight. Let me reset this. I might have overset a pin. Let's try this again. Nothing there. Come on. And there we go. We got it open. All right, so let's get this thing now, shall we? Get this out of the way. Let's see here. I actually didn't think I was going to get it open that fast, so I didn't have my stuff ready to gut it. So let's move this out of the way real quick. Grab my pinning tray. Tweezers, and then this guy right here. So hopefully I have the right follower for this. Actually, I didn't even think about that. Let me see real quick. I have two, so I have this one and this one. Hopefully one of these fits. I should get shims just in case. So we'll take a shim from here. This should be just fine. Okay. Sorry, I'm on my lunch break right now, so this is going to be trying to do this quick here. Where's the damn key? Here it is. So since I already picked it, let's just do this. So it makes it a little easier on me so I don't lose anything. Damn, this thing is tight on here. Okay. Come on. There we go. Love this pinning tray. Nice and big. Okay. So, sorry, took it off frame for a minute. Promise you it's the same damn lock. Oh, dude. It turns... Yeah, I think this C-clip is the wrong C-clip for it, because it turns so nice without that C-clip on there. Alright. Let me get a shim in here, just to be double sure that I don't mess anything up. Perfect. Now, I think this will fit. I might have gotten lucky here. Let's see. Wait a minute. Will it fit? Ooh, it's a little big. Will this fit? This fits. Perfect. Alright. Let's remove this shim now. All right, let's see what we got in here. Okay, so we got 5 pins in here. There is no serrations or anything that I can see inside that looks to be any different. Ooh. Look at that pin. That's neat. Okay. It's like a weird serrated type deal, I want to say. Alright, and this looks like a weird T-pin looking type deal. Well, that's interesting. Actually, it's actually my first challenge lock I've ever gutted. Actually, I think this is the first one I've ever done. Okay, so there's that. Then let's get out these pins in here. Alright, so pin 1 has this crazy serrated looking guy also. Pin 2. Really deep spool. Big spool, another. So pin 3 has another one of these like heavily serrated pins. And then what is this? This is pin number, come on, 4. It looks like a chalice of some sort. Pretty neat. I'll do a close-up on these in a minute too. And then the last one is, looks like it's going to be some sort of serrations as well. Yep, same deal. Just some deep serrations. Do I want to pull out the springs? Doesn't look like there's any sort of threading or anything going on in the Bible as well. I might as well take out the springs just so everyone can see. So 1 has this spring right here. It's a little bent. So that was 1. 2. Can I get the spring out of this one? Let's go 5, 4. Let's put this back in 1. So I know where it goes when I put it back together later. Does anyone know who did this challenge lock, by the way? I have no idea. I'm still pretty new, so I'm trying to learn everybody and all the different channels that are out there still. So if anyone knows, please let me know in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it so I can drop by their channel if they got one. There we go. And there's spring 3. So honestly, they look all the same. Nothing looks out of the ordinary. So get a close-up on this stuff now. So yeah, these are the pins. Pretty neat, honestly. This guy's pretty cool. Pretty deceitful. I got him stuck once the very first time I was trying to do this. And this is different too. I'm not sure how that would work, to be honest, but that's pretty cool. Good job, whoever made this, and I appreciate you, Lady Locks, again for sending me this. My first challenge lock. So, all right, guys. Till next time. Y'all have a great day.